If you've ever looked at your retirement account, or maybe avoided looking at it altogether and thought, I've left it too late, you're not alone. Maybe you're 45, 48, or even 52. Life happened. You raised children, you supported your family, you changed careers, you went through a divorce, or perhaps you simply never learned how investing actually works. Now, retirement feels closer than ever, and the question keeps you awake at night. Can I still build enough wealth to retire comfortably? The answer might surprise you. Today, we're going to separate fear from facts and look at what you can do from this point forward. Welcome to Asset and Tea, where we have honest conversations about building wealth, investing with confidence, and creating the retirement you deserve without complicated financial jargon. Put the kettle on and let's get started. Why do so many women feel behind?
Feeling behind doesn't mean you failed. Many women reach their 40s or 50s having spent decades putting everyone else first. Careers are interrupted, income gaps happen, parents need care, children need support, divorce changes financial plans, retirement becomes something you'll deal with later. You cannot change the first half of your financial life. You have complete control over what happens next. Is it actually too late? For most people, no. Starting at 45 is harder than starting at 25. But harder doesn't mean impossible. You may still have 20 years before retirement. 20 years is a long investing horizon. The biggest mistake isn't starting late, it's letting guilt stop you from starting at all. 3 priorities starting today. Know your numbers. Understand what you have, what you owe, and what you can invest each month. Increase your savings rate. Consistency matters more than perfection. Put your money to work. Long-term investing gives your money the opportunity to grow. You don't need complicated strategies. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison won't improve your retirement account. Action will. Focus on your next decision, not someone else's past. Being behind is not the same as being out of time. You don't need perfection.
You need a plan. Small, consistent actions taken over the next decade or two can change your financial future. Your best investment isn't yesterday. It's the decision you make today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Asset and Tea. Every week, we'll have practical, jargon-free conversations about investing, retirement, and building lasting wealth. What's your biggest retirement question right now? Leave it in the comments. Until next time, take care of yourself and your future.